Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Automobile. Today we're diving into the Stinger HEIGH10, a 10-inch multimedia car stereo that's built for serious car audio enthusiasts. With a large HD display, CarPlay, Android Auto, and high-end audio outputs, this unit is designed to transform your driving experience. Let's check out the features, pros, and cons to see if it's worth it. 10-inch HD display. First up, you get a 10-inch HD touchscreen with a 1024 by 600 resolution. It's sharp, vibrant, and big enough to give you that floating tablet look in your dashboard. CarPlay and Android Auto. Second, it fully supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you seamless access to maps, music, calls, and apps whether you're on iPhone or Android. SiriusXM ready plus Bluetooth. Third, it's SiriusXM ready for satellite radio fans, and it also includes Bluetooth for hands-free calling and wireless streaming. Premium audio outputs. Fourth, the HEIGH10 really shines in audio performance. It features TOSLINK digital audio output and HDMI rear input, making it perfect for connecting to amps, DSPs, or even gaming consoles and media devices. Flexible installation. And fifth, it's designed for both single and double DIN mounting, which gives you more flexibility when upgrading your factory system. Huge 10-inch HD display makes navigation, apps, and media more enjoyable. Audiophile-friendly outputs, TOSLINK and HDMI make it great for high-end audio setups. Versatile installation, works in both single and double DIN slots. No wireless CarPlay/Android Auto, you'll need a cable for now. Premium price, it costs more than many competitors in the same size range. So overall, the Stinger HEIGH10 is a powerhouse car stereo for anyone who wants a big screen, pro-level audio connections, and flexible installation options. It's ideal if you're serious about both convenience and sound quality. Check it out now on Amazon with the link in the description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car tech reviews. Thanks for watching.